In this video, we're going to take a look at how to create a logo for your clothing brand using Placeit. Whether your clothing brand is for adults, teens, or kids, Placeit makes it easy to create the perfect logo for your brand. Let's get started by going to the top left-hand side under Logos, and then we slide down to where it says Clothing Brands, and we click on that to view all the different templates. So as you can see, Placeit has quite a bit of variety, a bunch of different styles that we can choose from. To edit one, we would simply click on one and we would start to edit that template. Or instead of picking out a couple of these and going through them one by one, we can simply type our company name up here. For example, let's say it's Olivia's. That's going to be our clothing brand's name. And then watch as Placeit generates previews using all the different templates for us. So then we simply browse and we pick the one we want to use as a starting point. Let's say, for example, that I like, let's see here. I think I like this one, so I'll be clicking on it and it'll take me to that template and I can just simply edit and download it. So to edit it, I would go to the left-hand side. And here we have our different text options. So you would edit these the same way you would in any text editor. Just select the text and start typing away. I'm going to get rid of these two here so you can see. And now I've changed it on the design. I'm going to go ahead and add those back. Very simple, and you get the preview in real time, so it's super easy to make these edits. Now you'll notice that we also have these buttons here. This lets us change the size of the font. So I can click on small, make everything nice and small. I'm going to change it back to extra large because I like the way that looks. To the left, we have a little check mark. If we click on it, we can get rid of that line of text. And if I click back, it's going to add it back. Below, we have the font button. So if I just click on it, we get a drop down with all the different fonts that we can choose from for that line of text. To the right, we have the color picker. If I click on it, we get all these different preset colors that we can choose from, or we can click on more, and we can click and drag and pick any color that we like. We can also input the hex code for a color if we happen to have that, and then we would just click on choose, and it would set that color for that piece of text. I'm going to change it back. Now I'm going to go ahead and edit this second line of text here to say boutique. All right, and I think I'm going to change the size of this line to medium. Let's see what that looks like. I think that looks pretty good. And I'll change the font as well. So let me just click on this and let's see here. Just try a different font. That looks pretty good. Cool. So now we move on to the right-hand side where we can edit the graphic and the color. And let's see here. So right now it's this nice kind of a forest green, but I think I'm going to change it to a white and see how that looks. All right, and I'm going to play around with the graphic. We have a bunch of different options here. Or we can even get rid of the graphic if we don't want one by clicking on no image. But let's see, let's just try out a couple of different ones here. There are a bunch of different options and all of them look fantastic. So sometimes it's pretty hard to actually pick one. Let's see here. I think that looks pretty good. I actually think I like this one best. So cool. Now we go down to the background color, click on that, and we can edit the background color. So let's see here. I think I'm going to change this shade of green to a lighter shade. So I'm going to click on more, and I'm just going to drag this up a little bit. All right, that looks pretty good. Once we're satisfied with our clothing logo design, simply go to the top section here where we have the big blue download button, click on that, and we get this pop-up that shows us the format and the resolution that our logo is going to be in. And then we would simply click on the purchase button and we would follow those steps. Placeit also has an unlimited subscription for only $29 a month. That means unlimited mockups, unlimited design templates, and unlimited videos for one single monthly fee. So if you're starting a clothing company, you can create your logo, your banners, your mockups, and video mockups for one single fee. It might just be the last subscription you ever need.